Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, my channel, everybody's channel, your Gogo's channel, your neighbor's channel. It belongs to all of us. Today we're speaking about Norma Khumalo, who is an ex-Idol star. Norma came to fame from Mama Idols. She was a teacher from Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal, and waseke ebala phayana ke kuma Idols, and we got to know her. Even though she did not win, but she did rise to fame. So now the boyfriend or the ex-fiance his name is Untando Mkhulisi. Mkhulisi has lodged a formal complaint with the Portfolio Committee Policy and the Magistrate Commission, accusing law enforcement of failing to investigate multiple cases involving his ex-fiance, former Idols lady Unomalungelo Noxolo Khumalo. So at the center of Mkhulisi's complaint allegations ukuthi usisi lo ubefuna ukum-analyze, abefuna ukubulala umkhulise, uplothe imurder yakhe, which asho ukuthi yenziwa yena. Uphinde ke athi ke ulentuzane usethi ke umkhulisi ke they met last year June. Imagine guys, yothina amantombazane siyahlupha kodwa. Uthi they met last year June and they started dating, and because uNorma was unemployed, or she is unemployed, uye wesemcela ukuthi ukuthi ahlale naye. Uthi ke uGuy he agreed, and June they meet, they fall in love, they move in together. Uthi ke December they were engaged. uGuy uthi wabeka in love bekushesha. Uthi ke umkhulisi uNtando by December they were already engaged. But izinto ke started falling apart as babilokhu baqala ke be-arguisha ke about certain izinto ezincane nje as a couple. So June last year they meet up, they move in, December they engage. Then this year March uthi ke base beba ne-argument heated ngalendlela ukuthi stand into a violent. Uthi ke uNorma wamgwaza esifubeni, waqeda umgwaza nasengalweni, washisa ingubo zakhe, wadamage imoto yakhe, wathatha uwallet wakhe kanye namakhadi wakhe namabhanka asekhaya. Hayi Norma man, hayi Norma umculi noma ubuya actor. Uthi ke wasitshengisa isitshengisile ke ithombe ke umkhulise. Uthi ke uNorma ke wasegijima aqalwa epolice station wayovula icala against him, okwagcina ukuthi ke umkhulisi agcine eboshiwe, ngazi ukuthi uboshiwe kanjani. But then few days later he was granted bail. Uthi when I got out I discovered that she had gone to my business premises and stole half of my furniture, and I opened a case and submitted evidence including the photos, but police has never done anything about it. Uthi ke weeks later umkhulisi has narrowly escaped ukufa after being confronted by two unknown men outside his house, and he says he believes that this man was sent by uNorma with the hope ukuthi amqedele or amhlanganisa namathonga akhe. So now the guy says he is pleading to the public, and he's trying to put pressure to the police because he feels that the police are actually not listening to him, the police are not working with him, the police are not assisting him, the police are not doing anything, even though he has brought so much evidence against uNorma ukuthi uNorma uzama ukumbulala, akagcinanga lapho umbulalele imoto, akagcinanga lapho umgwazile esifubeni, qeda umgwaza wamgwaza naseyingalweni, wasemthathela amakhadi akhe ne-ID, and then after that she left. But guys, also I think that's just too quick. June, then you move in together. Maybe I'm old school. Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, maybe you can. And then after that, engagement. She doesn't look like she has so much anger on Norma, but hey, we don't know. What do you think? Do you think Norma did it or not? Comment.